Oh, yeah.
Yeah, anyway, this is Sean again with another Stage Driven Media video. I never got a chance to tell you guys, or really show you guys, the concept, the mock-up that I did. I can show you guys now. I was kind of like, before I got to a point, I wanted to kind of like, okay, let me wait. You know what I mean? I didn't want to just show it to you guys and be like, okay, well, you know, this is what I got. Now it's out there kind of thing. I kind of wanted the vision to kind of get to a point, and now I can like show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm gonna pop the old laptop on for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this. All right, guys, so this is the mock-up. I did this in Photoshop. If you guys don't know, I'm a graphics designer by I graduated from the Art Institute of Fort Lauderdale. So I'm an art major, so I can do this stuff in my sleep. But yeah, this is basically the concept design that I put together. And what's dope about it is, like I say, a lot of this stuff I've already started doing. Like if you notice, I got this little tablet PC. I could just kind of pull it back to kind of show you guys. So I have, as you can see here, I have the Vicrez winglet and the splitter. This is coming in the mail. You guys should know what that is. I mean, you've seen it on Supras, a couple other cars. I've seen it on some RX-7s, and I've seen it on like SC300s. That is coming in the mail, and it's actually coming from China because nobody in the US has it apparently. So it's coming from overseas, and that's gonna probably take about a month. But that's coming. This fender from Fly One Motorsports, actually Fly One Motorsports, and I originally saw him on this other Instagram called Carbon Plug. So this fender, it's like a G, it's like $1,000 or something like that for this. I think sometimes they run ads or sales or whatever the case may be, but generally the price is about like $1,000 or so dollars. They come with the pair, and it's all carbon fiber. Like, you know, this whole thing carbon fiber. And as you can see now, please don't flame me. Like at the end of the day, understand that my design is coming from an artistic standpoint. Okay, and some people may look at it as rice, and I fucking hate that word. I get it. Let me tell you something. I don't shop at the part at AutoZone or Advance that, you know, that forbidden aisle that you just buy bullshit and put it on your car. I never go there. Like the fake hood scoops, that is rice to me. But when you can actually come up with a design like this and put this together and actually make it a real thing, that's a build. I'm gonna have the words flash here. That's a build. So that's the difference between rice and build. Okay, it's a difference. So yeah, I'm just kind of giving you guys a little bit of an overview of how I want my build to look. The lettering already came in, which is funny. When I actually got these from Etsy. This guy company creates these tire letters. Now I was seeing some reviews. The quality is dope, but the glue they use, it isn't the best. So what I did was I went to Tire Letters, what is it, tireletters.com or something, like tirestickers.com, and I ordered the actual real like rubber compound glue that's meant for the tire letters on the wheel. So I got that. So the tire letters, it's gonna look like this. Again, we're going back to the mud guards that I'm gonna be putting on. Yeah, I want to wrap the mud guards. Never seen it done on a G. I'm gonna do it with mine. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but shit, I'm gonna put it on there, see how it looks. As you can see there, the handle has the same type of wrap print. This is, see, here's the thing. I want to go wide body with my car, right? I want to go wide body. Thing is, this is a placeholder. Okay, this is from what, Fiberglass Mafia. This is their wide body fender flare kit. Not trying to do that. Okay, not trying to do that. It's the best looking wide body fender, and I only like the rear one. The front one looks ridiculous. It just looks out of place. And so I just put this as a placeholder to kind of like illustrate it's going wide body, but it looked cool. I left it. I kept it in there. And let me see. I actually kept going with a couple different pieces. As you can see me kind of flash up some stuff. So we got that. And all right, so obviously you see the Battle Arrow chassis wing. Gotta have that. I mean, I think that just pulls it all together. Yes, it's gonna have two spoilers in a sense. I want to change out the actual spoiler with possibly, like, I don't know, maybe what's the other one? It's TG Works. Check their Instagram, the letter TGWK, I think it is. Instagram. They make really dope trunks, carbon fiber trunks. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and take this off the stock one and put that one on and go with that. Some people don't like it. Some people don't like having the chassis wing. Some people thinks it's again rice. Look at this build and look how it's gonna look. It's gonna look unique. This is what I'm going for. I'm not trying to look like everybody else. I'm gonna leave all these other YouTubers that you see that's making the same type of car. That's their lane. Let them stick to it. Mine is gonna be different. So, and that's no shot to nobody else. If you feel some kind of way about it, tough luck. But that's what I'm gonna be doing with my build. Also, as you guys can see, this is me, making my, I'm doing a 3D render of my car, because what I want to do, let's see if I can show you really good, because what I want to do is possibly maybe put together a like a mock-up of sorts for a 3D like mock-up of a wide body kit. Again, remember I told you in the Photoshop mock-up, this is just a placeholder. This right here is just going to be a placeholder. So I'm really going to be trying to put together like my own like wide body kit. It's going to come with the fenders. It's going to come with the side skirts back. I may even do something like an attachment to a front splitter or something like that. But I want to be able to have it down like here and maybe try to like get with a company that can be able to make it for me. I would like for it to be a one of one for right now. And if enough people like it, the goal, because that's what I'm trying to take this to the next level. The goal is to basically create body kits for the G, which I don't see a lot of people doing. Like, we're not talking G37s, the Liberty Walk's dope as hell, but nobody's doing anything for the G35. We have to struggle with, fender flares or the minor stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody's actually making a true to life, like, dope body kit for these cars because they're so dope and nobody's really taking advantage of making a bit. Like, there's so many people that got them. Like, why isn't this a thing? So I'm going to use my artistic flair and my own artistic, liberties to kind of go and create my own, brand or version of a wide body kit that's going to come with side skirts and the whole 9 yards. It's going to come with all that. So I'm going to put my my talents to use with that. But anyway, this is 8 minutes long, so I don't want to
and yeah, there we go, guys. I mean, it's the mock-up that I've been basically holding on to, and I'm hoping you guys, kind of like what I put together. I'm pretty sure I'm still gonna get those same, BS bullshit comments of people saying it's rice. Listen, if you people, and I say you people, the ones that are calling things rice or whatever the case may be, if you guys are comfortable with your Toyota Camry just having rims and just calling it a day, hey, blessings to you. But I'm gonna do what I want with my shit. You know what I mean? So thank you for commenting and engaging on my channel. At some weird small way that helps. So Doesn't do me any favors, but I mean, thank you for at least taking time out of your day and posting on my page. I'm not making the build for you. You know what I'm saying? I'm making the build for people that want to see more than just somebody call their project a build and all they doing is just slapping rims on it and that's it. Like I'm so tired of hearing that and so tired of seeing it. Like, it's not a build. You're just going and slapping rims on a car. Like, that's my little bit of a rant for the ending of this video. But either way, I hope you guys, the ones that did enjoy, at least finally see what I'm doing with my build. At least finally was able to put together, say, oh, okay, that's what he's doing, and I'm just not putting random shit on my car. And the reason, like I say, the reason why I showed it to you guys today is because I really want to illustrate, you know, like the steps that I've been taking so far. This is exactly what, this is my manual I'm working off of, right? So that way you guys can kind of see it come together from, you know, a design standpoint. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys, you know, learned something, saw something, and learned a little bit about me. Like I don't think I really, you know, said anything in one of my, I mean, I may have like alluded to it in a couple of my older videos that I was a graphics major and the whole 9 yards. I was in the gaming industry. That whole 9 yards, I don't know if I got detailed with that. But yeah, maybe as the time progresses, you'll see, you know, different, you know, pieces to, you know, my puzzle. That way you guys can understand where I'm coming from. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you don't, hey, at the very least, just subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any one of my videos, because I'm dropping, like, I got 4 right now. I'm gonna make one more other one. That's gonna be 5 straight ones. Now I don't know if I'm gonna drop it 5 days straight, but I'm gonna probably do like maybe 2 this week, 2 the next week, so forth and so on, just to kind of, you know, give me time to like keep going with the other videos. That way I still have some videos in the tuck just waiting to be uploaded to YouTube. So, but yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I always say, man, crazy times we living in. Try to find some love out there. Smile. It doesn't hurt. Like I said, try to smile under the mask, man. Like that's the best you can do, man. Like, be kind, man. Makes no sense being angry for nothing. All right. With that being said, stay driven. As always, one. Peace.